Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to earn and save more GPU hours in Midjourney. And as you can see right now, I'm currently inside midjourney.com. This is the link. Make sure you're logged in, and just a disclaimer, you're required rather to have a paid plan with this process, because you can access Midjourney if you don't have a paid plan. Sadly, they don't have a free trial, but trust me, it's really worth it. So the first thing I want you to do is click on rate images, this section right here, and then basically just rate images. As you can see right there, select the image you like better. Top 2000 daily rankers get a free GPU hour. Use the 1 and 2 keys for quick selection. So you can either choose one of each, for example, which one you like better. So for here, like this one. I like this one right here. So the key here, make sure you be honest on your rating, because they're gonna scale the top 2000 anyways. So again, I like this one better quality. So this will take around roughly 50 to 60 photos that rate, and then you can just get back after 24 hours to check if you have your GPU hours saved up, or you just earn your GPU hours. So basically that's it. That's how you earn your GPU hours. Now for the second part, how to save your GPU hours. So for now, I'm gonna teach you how to save one. Before we get into that, I almost forgot how to check if you have gained GPU hours from this rating. You can simply go on your account, simply click on these three dots, go on manage subscription, and you'll see here bonus says 0 hours. So if you reach the top 2000, you'll have this bonus hours. This is where you can see it. And then second option, how to save those GPU hours you have already. Basically go to Discord. Let me just open Discord right there. And then from here now, let me just enlarge it. Type this command that says relax. So if you have a paid subscription of $30, the pro version, you can use relax mode. Basically what it does, it's lessen. It it doesn't give the highest quality of images. It doesn't work out Midjourney. Basically it lessens the upscale, the quality, and basically you need the membership plan, because the one I have right now, it's not applicable for relax. Anyway, basically that's it. Just apply relax, because right now I have this one, fast mode. So to save GPU hours, just go for relax. However, the bottom line, or rather the cons of relax, that would be lesser quality, lesser time of processing, and you cannot use the repeat function. When I say repeat function, I say this one. For example, I want to imagine a prompt, a girl in a car, and then I can just type in repeat function right there. If I am relax mode right now, I cannot use this function. Also, I cannot use permutation. For example, this one right here. If I use this column, A, or rather red car, and also blue, this is what you call permutation. You cannot use this function if you're in relax mode. Basically, that's the downfall. However, if you're gonna save up GPU, right? Or rather GPU hours, it's really worth it. Second option to save up is do not scale or upscale your images as much. For example, this one right here. Usually we use 4 times to get the highest quality, right? I suggest just use the 2 times, or rather save it as it is. Don't upscale anymore. So you might ask me, how can I get the upscale or the best quality of this photo? You can use a third-party upscaler. For example, let me just download this one, save images. And then I'm gonna place it on desktop. Now, I'm gonna use this one. It's gonna be an AI image upscaler, and it's gonna be by your own choice. This is gonna be the one I'm using, DGB, and basically you can use any other AI image upscaler. So I'm just gonna drop the image I got from Midjourney from here, and basically I'm just gonna upscale it from here now. So I can choose a specific model here. That's why I love DGB. It has this model. I'm gonna choose this fine tuning and click on submit. I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. It will take around 30 to 1 hour, because there's a lot of people using this. And basically that's how you do it. Just get back here and download when it's done. And that's how you save and earn GPU hours in Midjourney. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.